I have a really good friend, Pamela Tapley, and she had always talked really highly of Dr. T before me even coming here as a chiropractor. And I didn't need him until about, I think it was towards the end of 2024 that I went to a yoga class. And I tried that yoga class so intensely that it messed up my left knee and the sciatic.
Yikes.
I had such a pain that I thought it was going to be permanent. I was already thinking, oh my God, this is like a new norm. And I started appreciating when people would tell me, like Pam and other people that I know, that her knees would hurt. I said, well, now I understand, because that was my very first experience with that kind of pain. I'm always sore because I work out, but and I thought that was going to be permanent. So I said, you know what? Let me go to Dr. T.
What was different about your symptoms after coming to see him for that injury?
Oh, they went away.
Oh, completely?
Completely.
Nice, awesome.
Oh my gosh.
So how is your life now, like after that treatment of the knee or whatever? Were you able to go back to that yoga class?
I was very limited at the time. Even when I went to what I had been going to, which is the small group classes, which are like high intensity, I was very limited. I couldn't do many of the exercises. I couldn't jump boxes, and it wasn't long. I think it was maybe 3 weeks or 4 that I was back to normal.
With his sessions, so once a week?
Yeah, I think I was doing twice at that point.
And
it went away completely. But he finds out where the problem is, and that's what I think is the greater benefit. He knows very quickly where to get to the source of the problem. So he's not like trial by error. He knows in the first session where the problem is. And so it's a matter of then doing the correct stretching and exercising that brings you back. At least in my experience.
Yeah, it's helpful because you're also very fit too.
Yeah,
so
well, I go to the gym for sure. So, but even for Pam and other people that have started coming here since then, like my brother, he is continuously making their flexibility better and better. So, in their cases.
Perfect. How would you describe Dr. T?
I have already recommended him.
And
My brother's coming here since then.
And how do you describe him? Like, if you know?
Oh, he's very easygoing, and more importantly, he listens to what you're telling him, and he has this, I don't know how he does it, but he touches you and he knows where the problem is, and I guess he's very good at what he does. I'm not one, I'm not into massages. I don't go to, before him I hadn't gone to a chiropractor, so it's great to have him as somebody that I can come to if anything happens.
Well, thank you so much, Margie, for sharing your experience.
You're very welcome.